If you want to get free Bitcoin, you should probably get on this today, and here's why. As of the making of this video, which is July 9th, 2021, the price of Bitcoin is just over $33,000. Some experts are predicting that the price of each Bitcoin could reach $1 million by the year 2025. Now, that may or may not be accurate, but let's say this is true. That means if you can get a little bit of Bitcoin today for free and hold on to it for another 4 years, it will increase in value over 30 times. So if you missed out last time when everybody got rich off Bitcoin, well, now's the time to get in. Now, fact of the matter is it's never gonna drop to where it was before. It was like 50 cents a token at one point. That's never gonna happen again. But right now, it's probably just about as low as it's gonna get at $33,000. So you wanna get your Bitcoin right now and hold it for at least 3 to 4 years. Now, this website's gonna give you free Bitcoin every 10 seconds, and that's just for surfing the web. If you don't necessarily want Bitcoin, they can pay you out into your PayPal account or whatever, but look, they'll pay you out into your CoinBase account, and you can get any crypto, actually. You can get free Dogecoin if you want. You can get free Ethereum. It doesn't matter. First thing you need to do, though, is get a CoinBase account, because you need what's called a crypto wallet to store all your Bitcoin in. But look, when you sign up for this, and it's free, they give you $5 in Bitcoin just for signing up. And remember, I said in 4 years, you can times that by 30.
Then you gotta subscribe to Online Moneymaker. You gotta support the channel. You gotta like it, subscribe it. Do not deny it.
So look, I'm gonna keep this video short because my computer's about to die, and actually I just registered for this site myself. I wanna start earning the Bitcoin right now while it's cheap. It's called Bucks Inside. Just go to bucksinside.com and you register. And I will be honest with you, I just registered for this and it's kind of a pain in the ass. So they make you jump through a couple hoops, like verify your email and you know, click on this CAPTCHA and whatever. It took me about 3 minutes to register, and that's kind of long for some of these sites. So bucksinside.com. And then once you're inside, it basically looks like this, and you just surf websites and they pay you out every 10 seconds you're on here. So Google doesn't pay you, Yahoo doesn't pay you, and this is taking a little bit of time to load up here, but it'll pop up and it'll say earn free Bitcoin every 10 seconds and whatever. So instead of using Google or Yahoo to do your searches to surf the web, just use this and get free Bitcoin every 10 seconds. And it's not a lot, but like I said, you got to look at the long term. I mean, that's gonna increase in value 30 times supposedly in 4 years. So, you know, just surf the web, get your free Bitcoin. Hey, I kept this video short for you because you need to get on this right now. I don't want to waste a bunch of your time, but make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. This is Online Moneymaker.